What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I am back to share with you guys paycheck number 1, January 2021. Let's dive in. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I cannot believe all of the love that I've been given in my latest videos. Thank you guys for tuning in and supporting my journey to pay off debt while winning with our money and still having fun. First off, my girl Riri has a new candle line, Sereno Candles. Is open for business starting today. That's right, you guys. If you love candles, if you love smell goods, if you love anything wax, check out my girl's Etsy shop. All links for anything that we talk about or that I share in this video will be in my bio. Shout out to all the lovely people who are commenting and letting me know and holding me accountable when I say that. And I just want to make sure that you guys know that I really appreciate you and I appreciate the feedback. Second off, don't forget to tune in live tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern for Money Mondays, episode 1 of season 2. We will have special guest Tanisha Davis, where we will talk all things fun and budgeting while living our best life. I can't wait for you guys to tune in. We play Jeopardy, Money Jeopardy, where we talk about finance and how to win. And it's a great community. Our chat is lit. Our chat is live. So come join the fun. To all my new subscribers, I hope you can come at least once so you can see how we roll. Next, I would like to share with you guys a freebie. If you caught my Instagram, you know that my girl Megan over at Her Courage to Plan has a freebie that she has available. Links will be in my description so that you can access it, but let me show you what it is. So this is her 2021 calendar set that she is giving away for free. She made it herself. She's so talented, and I love how it has an overview screen and then the 12-month calendar breakdown, January to December. It's so beautiful, guys. So grab this for your pre-planning, your budgeting needs. I sent a free copy out to all my subscribers who are subscribed to my website, RochelleAdamson.com. And the second freebie that she gave, you might have seen because I kind of showed it, is a budget worksheet for the month. And it's perfect for someone who's just starting out, who wants to get started on their journey. And it's great for the budgeter who is a pro. So I highly suggest grabbing these freebies. It's a limited time. I think that this is only available till like January the 9th. So guys, go get your freebies. You may notice a new friend. That's right, I finally got my hands on the desk agenda cover for my Happy Planner. I have been waiting for months for this, okay? I got the call yesterday, went and picked it up. I'm so happy. So this is something that is already from a previous budget, and I'm just so excited to welcome it to the family. Shout out to everyone who always asks about my Louis Vuitton products. Yes, they are authentic, and I work very hard to save, and I have a Louis Vuitton sinking fund so that I can purchase these items. Now, I have not sized anything out, but I just wanted to just show you guys what it looks like. Lots of slots, lots of space to work with. I will be using it, but for today, we are using Elaine Michelle's budget planner. I've done a video showing the digital version of this, Catch the Eye in the Sky, if you want to see what that looks like. But I just had the hubby print me off some paycheck budget sheets that I could use for today's video. Now guys, disclaimer, this is my second time filming this. That's right, I went through and I recorded an entire video, paycheck budget video, and the camera just said that it can't play back my movie, and I feel some type of way about that, but we are going to push forward. And so I'm going to just zoom in and show you guys my real numbers already plugged in, and we will go line by line. So let's get it popping. This is our income breakdown. My husband's payday, we expected him to bring home about $2,900. It actually turned out to be $3346.73, which gave us an extra $446.73 to work with. So shout out to him. Next up is his stipend that we receive because we are living temporarily in Hawaii and things are super expensive, and that is $2,086. There was no change. It was actually that amount. And just to keep things simple, I am combining my YouTube paycheck with this current paycheck because it all happened on the same week. Yes, half of it was in 2020 and this stuff was in 2021, but hey, we got to make it easy. Otherwise, we won't have fun. So the $484, you check out my YouTube paycheck video if you want to know how we allocated that out and what cash I used. And then surprise, y'all, we got stimulated. Let me know in the comments below if you've gotten your stimulus. We were blessed to be able to get 1,800 buckaroos unexpected, and so that left us with an $1,800 surplus. Now if you add all of that up, that gives us a total income of $7,782.39. Not bad for 2 days into the month of January. Shout out to hubby for doing his thing. Now let's dive into these expenses. So the first two transactions that I'm going to show you guys right away are how we spent our stimulus, because right away we wanted to have a plan just in case the money hit. And so hubby said, you know what, we're gonna spend half on something for ourselves and the other half is going right towards debt. So we bought ourselves some new Apple Watches. Shout out to Apple, because first off, I'm a first generation Apple Watch owner, and so when I upgraded to the Series 6, what? It's like night and day. So anyway, we have our old Apple Watches. One will go to Eva and the other will go to my niece, who is doing really good in college, and I'm proud of her. Next up is the mortgage debt snowball. So that's the DS, y'all. That's not a Nintendo DS. That's a mortgage DS debt snowball. And we put the other half of the stimulus straight on that mortgage. So we are a family of 3, and that's why we got the 1,800. Now let's dive into the regular bills. So our kitchen reno sinking fund, Micah wants to put $2,000 for the month towards it. So for this paycheck, that divided out to be $667, and that's how much I put in the sinking fund. Then there was our regular mortgage payment of $640, and let me just go ahead and keep on scooching up so we can see all of these. Then there was our personal money. Micah gave us each $200, so for my husband and I, that totaled $400. Groceries is getting $800 this month, so that's round about $267 per paycheck. We do try to use whole dollar amounts just to keep it easy. Then my mom, I gave her $200 out of my YouTube paycheck. I used another $200 from my YouTube paycheck to go to cash envelopes because, you know, Micah, he didn't want me to have any cash, but YouTube was like, go ahead, girl, stuff those cash envelopes. I'm kidding. Next was $188 to our buffer. We try to keep $1,000 in our bank account at all times. We are 1 month ahead on all of our bills, whatever bills it's possible to be 1 month ahead on, and we like to keep money in the account so there's no surprises, but we still budget every paycheck dollar. Next up is our phone bill, which is $186. Y'all, this is so weird to me because our phone bill is due on the 8th, but today's the 3rd and I still don't have the bill, and I feel like that's been happening for like the last 6 months. So this is why I'm so glad that we're able to stay 1 month ahead at least. So it's waiting in the account to be used. Next up is our taxes sinking fund, which is a new addition to the sinking fund family. Hubby wants to put $500 total toward that this month, so $167. In fact, these next few items are all $167. Next up is Mega Monopoly. Hubby gave me $500 for the month towards that. Catch my latest video, the one that just dropped before this one, I believe. 2021 Savings Challenges Cash Stuffing #1. We had a lot of fun stuffing those envelopes, and Mega Monopoly was one of the savings challenges. Next up is the Tesla Sinking Fund. That got $167 also. Whew. Now these are electronic sinking funds, so that's why you don't see those in cash. Massages sinking fund got $110. And I actually had to continue our budget onto a second page, so let me show you how that broke down. I realized that we actually had some additional income I was trying to figure out why my numbers were off from my YouTube paycheck video. Shout out to the person who noticed it in the comments. Y'all run these numbers right with me, and I'm so here for it. Nobody is perfect. I never claimed to be, but I forgot that I had 2 deposits that took forever to come, but I did get them. I had a client from RochelleAdamson.com who paid for her monthly services. If you are looking to get help with creating your own monthly budget down to the paycheck budgeting system, go ahead, head on over to RochelleAdamson.com, and I am ready to help you. My budgeting services start as low as $10 a month right now. I'm running a special, and let's budget and chill, you know, kind of like Netflix and chill, but let's budget and chill. Next up was a deposit from Mercari for $17.40. I requested it in November. It didn't hit till December. We're not worried. We're just glad it came. Now here are the rest of our transactions and expected expenses. Our emergency fund always gets $100 every pay. Donations and charity, we don't share what those are, but the amounts we do, $100 for that one. Uber, Lyft, and my car rental sinking fund. This is a new addition to our budgeting. Thanks to Micah, we have $100 going there. Travel is an electronic sinking fund. It got $84. Eva, so funny, I have to tell y'all, she got her $64 for the next 2 weeks. But let me tell you, the girl, this merit-based system is working out already, because if you caught our January 2021 budget video where Micah did the whole budget and revealed it to Eva and I for the first time, our reactions were so hilarious. Eva found out that she's getting $200 for the month. That's right, y'all, $200. Well, she started running around acting a fool, dropped her glasses, and Micah was like $10 off. So she got down to $190, and then she left my husband's key fob while she was going to get some tea and some water, and Micah was like, don't leave my key fob. Eva, don't leave my key fob. What she do? Leave the key fob. He deducted another $10. He's not playing with her. So homegirl was already down to $54 for the week, for the next 2 weeks. Don't feel sorry for her. She's 9 years old with $54. She's fine. Then next up were the last 2 donations that I already submitted. One was for $50 and the other was for $17. Shoo, y'all, that was the paycheck budget. Now let's see how much it all came down to. $7,782.38. So we have a $0 remaining, and I give us an A++. For one thing, I'm very happy. Let me just switch back to the other paycheck budget. I'm very happy that we were able to contribute to our mortgage debt snowball in the same pay week that we contributed to, that we made our regular mortgage payment. So the mortgage got $1,540 this week, and we're only 3 days into the month of January. So yes. I am so happy about that. So overall, I would definitely give us an A+. Of course, we could have put more money toward debt, but we still believe in living our best life and having fun and not holding ourselves to a standard that's too serious for us. So if you would like to know more about this budget planner by Elaine Michelle, the link will be in the description. She's a fellow YouTuber, does very well on YouTube, and I like the way her layout goes. The only thing that I would change, and this is why I'm working on my own my own budget planner, is I would have totals. I would have a total amount so that you could see what your money adds up to. So I kind of wrote it in underneath, but that, for me, that was it. I guess paycheck budgets are for, you know, one-time incomes, but I'm always talking about side hustles. In fact, one of my next upcoming videos, I'm sharing with you guys our December passive income, and I'm going to share ideas on how you can make some extra money, even if it's just $5. And I'm all about making money while I sleep. Hello. Let me know in the comments below if you subscribe to that whole notion also. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budget.